Hey everyone, my name is Kate and I'm product development manager here at Plus Plus, and today we are going to be building the creepy critters. We have Bolt, Nom, Grim, and Wib here, so let's get started. Critter is named Nom because of his big mouth and his teeth, so it looks like he can just go up to anything and go nom 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 nom. So yeah, he's ready to nom on anything. So the colors that come in Nom are neon orange, basic purple, glow, basic black, lime green, and then 2 hubs for his eyes. And we're gonna build flat at first. So we're gonna put 2 together like this, and then we're gonna put 1 going the same way, and then we're gonna add another one on the other side of this piece, and then the last piece right here. So this is our first little chunk of building Nom, and then we're going to take 2 more purple pieces, and we're going to put 1 on this side, flip this over, and put the other purple piece on the other side, in the same place on the other side. So once we have this piece done, we're going to go ahead and set it off to the side, and we're going to create some feet for Nom. So we're going to grab our lime pieces here and then 2 of our black pieces, and we're going to put the lime piece into the black just like this. And once we have one of his feet done, we're going to do the same thing with the other 2 pieces. So we're going to take lime and black again, and we're going to put them together. And now we have his little feet. So once we have his feet, we're going to go ahead and attach it to the bottom part of his body. So we're going to take this piece we've already made, and we're going to go ahead and put 1 foot here, and then 1 foot right on the other side. So now we have the bottom part of Nom. And once we have those 2 added, we're going to take 1 here and add it right down there. 1 purple piece and 1 neon orange piece. We're going to put them together like this. And once we have this flat part created, we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab the rest of his body and we're going to slide it onto his teeth. So now we have his mouth created, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to add his top teeth. So now he has a big chomping mouth. So we're going to put 2 purple pieces together, just like that. And we're going to continue adding purple pieces in this direction. 1 more here. Once we have this piece created, we're going to take the body again, and we are going to slide this piece right at the top of his teeth, just like that. So now his whole body is created, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to add his eyes on, and we're going to add it right here to this part of the top of his head. Then we're going to set him to the side for a second, and we're going to put these 2 black pieces together and put it right there on Nom. One of the hub pieces, we're going to add the smaller hub over here. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to slide it right onto that piece here. And now we have Nom.